Hello everybody, my name is Michelle. My group mates are Yu Chen, Cheng Chen Tian, Amanda Georges, and Madison Bryce. We are Group 1, and today we will be talking about the DeLonghi toaster.
The DeLonghi toaster model number is DEC TJ4003.BK. It is a 4-slice capacity toaster that runs off 1,800 watts of power with a total dimension of about 8 inches in height, 11.4 inches in width, and around 13.2 inches in depth, and it weighs about 5 pounds.
Let's introduce the modules in the toaster. There are 2 sub-assembly and 5 parts in the model. The figure shows the exploded drawing for the toaster. The first one is the outer body sub-assembly, including 3 parts: upper cover, main body, and base. The upper cover can be removed to let the top slot be taken off. The separable base allows the heater element to be repaired. Top slot sub-assembly is marked number 2, including cover and then main body. When the cover is removed, the braid holders marked as 3 can then be removed. Each crumb tray collects the breadcrumbs from each side of the holder and can be removed individually to clean. Number 5 are 2 heaters installed on the base to provide stable heat. Number 6 is the knob on the main body to control the power of the toaster and make the ideal braid that you want. Finally, 7 is the charger lead. It is all modules in the toaster. Now look closer to the holder sub-assembly. There are 7 parts, including 1 braid holder lift and 4 grate and 2 braid holder parts.
There are 2 key characteristics for this toaster. The first is the distance between the bread holder support wires, which allows for the size of the toast to be inserted and also allows for proper heat dissipation for the toast. The second key characteristic is the distance between the bread holder support wires and the heating element in the bread heater assembly. This allows for the rate and intensity of the bread being cooked, and it allows for the bread not to be touched by the heating coils.
KC1 is the distance between bread holder support wires. The first design constraint of this KC is that it must be large enough to hold a slice of bread. Therefore, as seen in the graph, bread cannot fit if the KC value is less than 14 millimeters. The toast level indicates how well done the toast is. Values over 6 mean the toast is burnt, and values under 4 mean the toast is underdone. The optimal range of toast is between 4 to 6 toast levels. This is the range of 20 to 24 millimeters of distance. The current KC value is 23 millimeters. KC2 is the distance between the bread holder and the heating element. This distance is important to ensure the proper heat reaches the toast. The toaster power is 1800 watts. We can assume we are using 100 grams of bread with a specific heat being 2.5 joules per gram Kelvin. With 2 minutes cooking time and the other variables, we can find the temperature of toast at full power of 1800 watts to be approximately 450 degrees Fahrenheit of cooking temperature. The optimal toast cooking temperature is within 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit for the given 2 minutes. With this information, we can find the optimal distance to be within 100 to 120 millimeters. The current KC value of the toaster is 110 millimeters. If the toast is touching the heater or too close in general, it'll catch the toast on fire. If the toast is too far away from the heater, it will be underdone.
Zone diagrams are shown in this slide. There will be 2 states in our toaster, non-heating state and heating state. For key characteristic 1, distance between bread holder grates are same in both states, while key characteristic 2 is defined at the heating state, which is the distance between bread holder and heating element. Moreover, from the diagrams, we can see that there are no key characteristic conflicts between key characteristic 1 and key characteristic 2. Since the structure is quite simple and key characteristics do not share the same liaisons.
And here's our bill of materials, which we talk about in slides 3 and 4. Thank you for listening to our presentation.